National Parks of India. First we will see all the national park in Jammu and Kashmir. Salim Ali National Park. This is the location of Salim Ali National Park. Salim Ali National Park or City Forest National Park is a national park located in Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. It was notified in the year 1986. City Forest or Salim Ali National Park is named after the famous ornithologist Dr. Salim Ali. Ornithologist is a person who studies or is an expert on birds. City Forest National Park is renowned for its avian fauna. Avian fauna means the kind of birds found in a particular region, period, or environment. Flagship species of City Forest National Park is Himalayan monal. The vegetation of the Salim Ali National Park is coniferous alpine type. The coniferous forest located at high altitude are called alpine. Major plant species of Salim Ali National Park are cedrus, deodar, pinus species, quercus species. Some of the important animals of Salim Ali National Park are hangul, Himalayan sero, Himalayan black bear, leopard, musk deer. Important birds of Salim Ali National Park are Himalayan monal, Himalayan snowcock, swamp francolin ringdove. Next national park is Hemis National Park. This is the location of Hemis National Park. Hemis National Park or Hemis High Altitude National Park is in eastern Ladakh region of the state of Jammu and Kashmir. It was founded in 1981. The altitude of Hemis National Park is between 3,300 to 6,000 meter above sea level. Hemis is the only national park in India which lies to the north of Himalayas. Hemis is the largest notified protected area in India and so the largest national park of India. It is also the second largest contiguous protected area. The first largest contiguous protected area in India is Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve. Hemis National Park is bounded on the north by Indus River. Hemis National Park is the India's only protected area inside of Palearctic Ecozone. Palearctic Ecozone is zoogeographical region consisting of Europe, Africa, north of the Sahara and most of the Asia lying north to the Himalayas. Hemis National Park is situated in Karakoram West Tibetan Plateau Alpine Steppe ecoregion. What is meaning of ecoregion? Ecoregion is an area which defines in terms of its natural features and environment. Following type of vegetation is found in Hemis National Park: pine forest, alpine shrublands and meadows. The upper mountain area being moist consists of alpine vegetation which includes anemone. Anemone is a plant of buttercup family which typically has brightly colored flowers. Some of the important animals of Hemis National Park are snow leopards, ibex, argali or great Tibetan sheep, bharal or blue sheep, shapu or Ladakhi urial, Himalayan marmots, Tibetan wild ass or kiang, dhols, lynx, mouse hare or pika. Some of the important birds are Himalayan whistling thrush, snowcock, chukor, magpie, snow partridge, golden oriole. Other rare species of birds are great grey shrike, red-mantled rose finch, robin accenter, spotted flycatcher. Dachigam National Park. This is the location of Dachigam National Park in India. Dachigam National Park is located 22 km from Srinagar in Jammu and Kashmir. It was declared a national park in the year 1981. Located high in its interior is the Marsar Lake, from which flows the river Dagwan. Dachigam National Park is world famous for hangul, also known as Kashmiri stag. Other inhabitants of Dachigam National Park are musk deer, leopards, jungle cats, Himalayan black bear, and ibex. Some of the bird species are Himalayan monal, Kashmir flycatcher, colorful pheasants, golden eagle, bearded vulture. Vegetation consists of coniferous forest of broadleaf species. Dachigam National Park is extremely rich in apricot, walnut, chestnut, oak tree, willow tree, poplar tree, pear, plum, peach and apple, chinar tree, birch and pine tree. Kishtwar National Park. This is the location of Kishtwar National Park in India. Kishtwar National Park is a national park located in Kishtwar district of Jammu and Kashmir. It was declared a national park on 1981. The rocks here are strongly folded, mainly of granite and gneiss. Kishtwar National Park is the catchment area of the following mentioned river: Kiar River, Nath River and Kibar rivers, which merged into Marwar River and which finally joins the Chenab River just above the Kishtwar town. Flagship animal of park are Himalayan snowcock and the brown bear. Some of the animals of this park are snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, Himalayan thar. Now we will see birds which are found in Kishtwar National Park. Himalayan snowcock is endemic to this region. Endemic means a plant or animal which is native and restricted to a certain place. Some other birds of Kishtwar National Park are bearded vulture, golden oriole, griffon vulture. Vegetation of the park is coniferous alpine type. Major plant species are cedrus, deodar, Pinus volsciana, Pinus gerardiana, anemone species. Now we will see all the national park of Himachal Pradesh. Great Himalayan National Park. This is the location of Great Himalayan National Park. Great Himalayan National Park is located in Kullu region in the state of Himachal Pradesh. It was established in 1984. The Great Himalayan National Park is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is known for its rugged beauty and diverse wildlife. The upper mountain glacial and snow melt water is source of several rivers and the catchment area of various rivers whose water supplies are vital to millions of downstream users. You can see alpine meadows of the Himalayan ranges in Great Himalayan National Park. Some of the rare species of Great Himalayan National Park are Himalayan blue poppy, western tragopan, Himalayan thar. Great Himalayan National Park provides protection for four globally threatened mammals: snow leopard, Sero, Himalayan thar, and musk deer. Three globally threatened birds which are found in Great Himalayan National Park are western tragopan, koalas, cheer pheasants. Great Himalayan National Park is also a part of Conservation International's 34 biodiversity hotspot of Himalayan region. Pin Valley National Park. This is the location of Pin Valley National Park. Pin Valley National Park is located within Lahul and Spiti district of Himachal Pradesh. It was established in 1987. The park is known for its alpine meadows, glaciers, and high altitude lakes. Pin Valley National Park is situated in the desert of the Spiti Valley, which lies within the Cold Desert Biosphere Reserve. Pin River flows through Pin Valley National Park. Pin Valley is also home to the last remaining population of blue sheep in India. Major plant species are juniper and birch trees. Most important animals of the Pin Valley National Park are leopard, snow leopard, Siberian ibex, bharal or blue sheep, weasel, marten. Some of the important birds of Pin Valley National Park are pika, snowcock, bearded vulture. Buddhist Tibetan culture is very evident in this region. You can see monasteries and stupas in this region. Indar Kila National Park. This is the location of Indar Kila National Park in India. Indar Kila National Park is in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It was established in the year 2010. Some of the animals of Indar Kila National Park are brown and black bear, leopards, mountain deer. Kheer Ganga National Park. This is the location of Kheer Ganga National Park. Kheer Ganga National Park is in Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It was established in the year 2010. Kheer Ganga National Park is known for its hot springs pilgrimage sites. The Kheer Ganga National Park has its boundary with Great Himalayan National Park. Species like wild bears are found here. Simbalbara National Park. This is the location of Simbalbara National Park. Simbalbara National Park is located in the Paonta Valley of Sirmaur district in Himachal Pradesh along its border with Haryana. In year 2010, it was made into a national park. Simbalbara National Park features thick sal forest. Some of the species of animals are goral, cheetal, sambar, Himalayan black bear, spotted deer, Hanuman langurs, Indian muntjacs or barking deer. Now we will see all national park of Uttarakhand. Jim Corbett National Park. This is the location of Jim Corbett National Park in India. Jim Corbett National Park is the oldest national park in India and was established in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It is located in Nainital district of Uttarakhand and was named after Jim Corbett, who played a key role in its establishment. The park is home to large variety of wildlife including elephants, tigers, leopards, deer and birds. Formed in 1936 as Haley National Park to protect the endangered Bengal tiger. It was the first to come under the Project Tiger initiative launched in 1973. Other important species in Jim Corbett National Park are cheetal, sloth, Himalayan black bear, elephant, leopard, barking deer, sambar deer, martens, Himalayan goral, Indian pangolins. Vegetation of Jim Corbett National Park is peepal tree, mango tree, and sal tree. Gangotri National Park. This is the location of Gangotri National Park. Gangotri National Park is a national park located in Uttarkashi district in Uttarakhand. It is the third largest national park of India. It was established in 1989. Gangotri National Park is situated in Uttarakhand in the upper catchment of the Bhagirathi River. Hindu pilgrims visit the park to bath in the sacred water of the Bhagirathi River. The Gangotri Glacier, the origin of river Ganga, is located within Gangotri National Park. Major geographical features of the Gangotri National Park are high ridges, deep gorges, rocky craggy glaciers, and narrow valleys. Common vegetation in Gangotri National Park are cheer pine, rhododendron, fir, oak tree, spruce, deodar tree. Various rare and endangered species are found in Gangotri National Park like tiger, bharal or blue sheep, musk deer, ibex, snow leopard, Himalayan thar. Some of the birds found in Gangotri National Park are Himalayan barbet, parakeet, bulbul, pheasants, doves, and partridges. Govind Pashu Vihar National Park. This is the location of Govind Pashu Vihar National Park. Govind Pashu Vihar National Park and Sanctuary is a national park in the Uttarkashi district of Uttarakhand. It was established in 1990. It was named after a prominent Indian freedom fighter and politician Govind Ballabh Pant. The park is a great place for hiking, trekking and enjoying the natural beauty of the area. The park creates an upper water catchment of River Tons, which is an important tributary of Yamuna. Within Govind Pashu Vihar National Park is the Harki Dun Valley, which is a famous tourist spot. Snow leopard project first started here by the Government of India. Nanda Devi National Park. This is the location of Nanda Devi National Park in India. Nanda Devi National Park or Nanda Devi Biosphere Reserve is a national park situated around the peak of Nanda Devi in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand. It was established in the year 1988. This national park was inscribed a World Heritage Site by UNESCO in 1988. The latter was expanded and renamed to Nanda Devi and Valley of Flower National Park in 2005. Nanda Devi National Park is known for its alpine meadows, glacier and rugged mountains. The Nanda Devi National Park is situated near the peak of Nanda Devi, India's second highest mountain. Its height is 7,816 meters. This park is drained by the river Rishi Ganga through the Rishi Ganga Gorge, one of the deepest in the world. Some of the important animals of Nanda Devi National Park are Himalayan thar, snow leopard, Himalayan black bear, Himalayan musk deer, Himalayan sero. Major vegetation of Nanda Devi National Park: meadows of alpine flowers, fir tree, rhododendron. Rajaji National Park. This is the location of Rajaji National Park. Rajaji National Park covers Three districts of Uttarakhand: Haridwar, Dehradun, and Pauri Garhwal. In 1983, three wildlife sanctuaries in the area, namely Chila, Motichur, and Rajiji sanctuaries, were merged into one. The park is named after C. Rajagopalachari, who was the last Governor General of India. The park is home to a variety of animals including elephant, tigers, leopard, deer. The park is also home to variety of birds including eagles and vultures. In Rajaji National Park, we can see sal forest and bamboo shoots. Rajaji National Park is famous as an elephant habitat. Some other animals found here are barking deer, sambar, wild boar, Indian leopard, Bengal tiger, Himalayan black bear, sloth bear. Major vegetation is broad-leaved deciduous forest, scrubland, grassland, and pine forest. Some of the trees are sal tree, palash tree, rohini tree, arjun tree, and khair tree. Valley of Flower National Park. This is the location of Valley of Flowers National Park. Valley of Flowers National Park is located in Chamoli district of Uttarakhand and is known for its meadows of endemic alpine flowers and a variety of flora. It comes under the UNESCO World Network of Biosphere Reserves. Valley of Flowers National Park is a conjunction point of western and eastern Himalayas. The national park lies completely in the temperate alpine zone. Some of the animals of this national park are Himalayan black bear, Siro, Bharal blue sheep, musk deer, Himalayan thar, Himalayan weasel, Himalayan yellow-throated marten, red fox, red giant flying squirrel. Major flowers found in Valley of Flower National Park are orchids, poppies, primulus and marigold, daisies, anemones. Now we will see National Park of Haryana. Kalesar National Park. This is the location of Kalesar National Park in India. Kalesar National Park was established in 2003. Kalesar National Park and Kalesar Wildlife Sanctuary are contiguous to Simbalbara National Park in Himachal Pradesh and Rajaji National Park in Uttarakhand. It covers the area of 11,570 acres and is in the lap of lower hills of Shivaliks, situated in the eastern part of Yamunanagar. It is a storehouse of numerous medicinal plants. It houses many threatened animals like leopard, ghoral, barking deer, sambar, king cobra, monitor lizard. Tiger and elephants visit this national park from Rajaji National Park situated in Uttarakhand. It is the only forest in Haryana with a natural sal tree belt, besides being a home to a wide range of wild flora and fauna. Sultanpur National Park. This is the location of Sultanpur National Park. Sultanpur National Park, formerly Sultanpur Bird Sanctuary, is located at Sultanpur in Gurugram district of Haryana. It was established in 1989. Sultanpur National Park is a bird paradise for bird watchers. This park is famous for its migratory as well as resident birds. Now we will see National Park of Uttar Pradesh. Dudhwa National Park. This is the location of Dudhwa National Park. The Dudhwa National Park is a national park in the Terai belt of marshy grassland in the northern Uttar Pradesh. It comes under Lakhimpur district. It is a part of Dudhwa Tiger Reserve. It was established in the year 1977. Major attraction of Dudhwa National Park are tigers and swamp deer. National parks in Bihar. Valmiki National Park. This is the location of Valmiki National Park. Valmiki National Park, Tiger Reserve and Wildlife Sanctuary is located at the India-Nepal border in the western Champaran district of Bihar on the bank of river Gandak. It was established in 1989. The park is home to nearly 200 plus bird species and various exotic and endangered animals, making it an ideal tourist spot. The wildlife found in the forest of Valmiki National Park are Bengal tiger, Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic black bear, Indian sloth bear, otter, Indian leopard, wild dog, wild water buffalo, wild boar. There are several species of deer including barking deer, spotted deer, hog deer, sambar, blue bull, Now we will see National Park in Mizoram. Murleen National Park. This is the location of Murleen National Park. Murleen National Park is located in Champhai district of Mizoram and it is close to Chin Hills near the Myanmar border. It was declared national park in 1991. Fauna found here includes tiger, leopard, sambar, barking deer, Himalayan black bear. Cases of hunting and poaching have been reported in Murleen National Park. Some of the other animals found in Murleen National Park are Malayan giant squirrel, Siro, Hulok gibbon, rhesus macaque, Hume's pheasant, dark-rumped swift. Phang Pui National Park. This is the location of Phang Pui National Park in India. Phang Pui National Park or Phang Put Blue Mountain National Park is located in Siaha district towards southeast of Mizoram and relatively close to Myanmar. It was established in 1992. The region is home to rare avian species like Blitz tragopan, Hume pheasants, Asiatic black bear, tiger, goral, leopard, slow loris, stump-tailed macaque, capped langur. National Park of Assam. Manas National Park. This is the location of Manas National Park. Manas National Park is located in the foothills of Himalayas in the Bhabar area of western Assam. It is located in Chirang and Baksa district of Assam. Manas River flows from this national park and it joined on the north by the Royal Manas National Park of Bhutan. Manas National Park was established in 1990. Manas National Park have 6 national and international designations. The designations include World Heritage Site UNESCO, National Park, Tiger Reserve, Biosphere Reserve, Elephant Reserve, and Important Bird Area. Manas National Park provides the highest legal protection to its species under the provision of Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Manas became a tiger reserve in 1974. Manas became a World Heritage Site in 1985. It became Biosphere Reserve in 1989. It covers the area of 500 square kilometer. Manas is also core area of the Chirang Rifu Elephant Reserve. Manas National Park spreads on either side of the majestic Manas River. The vegetation of Manas National Park has tremendously high regenerating and self-sustaining capabilities due to high fertility of the soil. The Manas National Park shelters more than 22 endangered species which are designated as Schedule 1 species in the Wildlife Protection Act. The Manas National Park provides critical and viable habitat for rare and endangered species. Animals like tiger, greater one-horned rhino, swamp deer, pygmy hog, Bengal florican. The wild buffalo population in Manas National Park is probably the only pure strain of this species still found in India. Dibru Saikhowa National Park. This is the location of Dibru Saikhowa National Park. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is situated in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam. It was designated as a biosphere reserve in 1997. It was established as a national park in 1999. The park is bounded by Brahmaputra and Lohit River in the north and by the Dibru River in the south. Dibru Saikhowa National Park hold 3 designations: the National Park 1999, Biosphere Reserve 1997, Important Bird Area 2004. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is the largest Salix swamp forest in northeastern India. Salix swamp forest mainly consists of moist mixed semi-evergreen forest. A famous sacred tree in Dibru Saikhowa National Park is Kekjori, a tree whose branches grow over a large area. The local population treat this tree as sacred and do not cut its branches. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is famed for its feral horses. Other notable species found in Dibru Saikhowa National Park are tiger, elephant, leopard, barking deer, water buffalo. Dibru Saikhowa National Park is also identified as an important bird area. Some notable birds are greater adjutant stork, lesser adjutant stork, greater crested grebe, large cormorant, open-bill stork, black-necked stork, griffon vulture, white-winged wood duck, great pied hornbill. Kaziranga National Park. This is the location of Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is located in Golaghat and Nagaon district of Assam. It was established in 1908. The Kaziranga National Park has one of the highest density of tiger in India and has been declared as Tiger Reserve since 2007. Kaziranga National Park area is the single largest and undisturbed area lying in the Brahmaputra Valley floodplain. It has two-thirds of the world's great one-horned rhinoceros, and it is a World Heritage Site. Riverbank erosion by Brahmaputra River results in sedimentation and formation of new lands as well as new water bodies. Kaziranga National Park flora consists of wet alluvial tall grassland. Kaziranga National Park's contribution and efforts in protecting the Indian one-horned rhinoceros from the brink of extinction in the 20th century to now, having the single largest population of one-horned rhinoceros species is a remarkable conservation achievement. Nameri National Park. This is the location of Nameri National Park. Nameri National Park is in the foothills of the eastern Himalayas in the Sonitpur district of Assam. The park was declared a reserve forest in 1978. Nameri National Park also has the designation of Tiger Reserve under Project Tiger. The most secure population of the endangered species white-winged duck is found here on the north bank of Brahmaputra River. Nameri National Park is famous for its population of Asian elephant and tiger. Some other animals found in Nameri National Park are sambar, hog deer, jungle cat, leopard, golden jackal, large Indian civet, small Indian civet. Good numbers of otters are found in the stream and rivers wherever the fishing is prohibited. Nameri National Park is very rich in avifauna. Some of the birds are sultan tit, greater neck-laced laughing thrush, grey peacock pheasant, Himalayan flameback, masked finfoot, Darjeeling woodpecker, slaty blue flycatcher, white-throated redstart, Nepal house martin, white-throated laughing thrush, yellow-bellied flowerpecker. Orang National Park. This is the location of Orang National Park in India. Orang National Park, also known as Rajiv Gandhi Orang National Park, is located on the northern bank of Brahmaputra River in the Darang and Sonitpur district of Assam. It was established as a sanctuary in 1985 and declared a national park on 13 April 1999. Orang National Park is well known as an important habitat for the one-horned rhinoceros and tiger, mainly established to save the highly endangered rhinoceros. The grasslands of the park also support healthy population of the swamp francolin, Bengal florican, lesser adjutant, Pallas fish eagle. Other notable species in Orang National Park are a healthy population of tiger, hog deer, Chinese pangolin, Chinese porcupine, small civet, jungle cat, smooth Indian otter, rufous-tailed hare. Turtles found in Orang National Park are Indian tent turtle, brown roof turtle, Malayan box turtle, eastern hill terrapin, spotted black terrapin, Indian soft-shelled turtle. Dehing Patkai National Park. This is the location of Dehing Patkai National Park. Dehing Patkai National Park, also known as Jaipur Rainforest, is located in Dibrugarh and Tinsukia district of Assam. It was declared a wildlife sanctuary in 2004. Dehing River flows through the national park and Patkai Hills are on the foothills of the park. Dehing Patkai National Park is also a major elephant reserve which spreads across the coal and oil-rich districts of Upper Assam, Dibrugarh and Tinsukia. The oldest refinery of Asia located in Digboi and the open-cast coal mining at Lido are situated near the park. Some of the animals found in Dehing Patkai National Park are Malayan giant squirrel, wild pig, sambar, barking deer, Chinese pangolin, flying fox, gaur, siro, tiger, leopard, clouded leopard, leopard cat, golden cat, jungle cat, marbled cat, Assamese macaque. The highest concentration of rare endangered white-winged wood duck resides here. Raimona National Park. This is the location of Raimona National Park in India. Raimona National Park lies in Kokrajhar district of Assam in Bodoland Territorial Region. Phipso Wildlife Sanctuary of Bhutan to its north, Baksa Tiger Reserve of West Bengal lies to its west, and Manas National Park to its east. The most famous endemic species in the park is golden langur, also named as the mascot of the Bodoland region. Other notable species of the park are Asian elephant, Royal Bengal tiger, Indian gaur, and wild water buffalo. National Parks of Arunachal Pradesh. Mauling National Park. This is the location of Mauling National Park in India. The Mauling National Park is situated in Upper Siang and Siang district of Arunachal Pradesh. It was established in 1986. The name of the Mauling National Park has been derived from the peak named Mauling in the area. Mauling National Park is located on the right bank of River Siang. Ornamental plant species such as foxtail orchids are found in abundance in this national park. Mauling National Park is extremely rich in bird diversity. The most notable among these birds is the chestnut-breasted partridge. Due to its small and fragmented population, it is considered vulnerable. Namdapha National Park. This is the location of Namdapha National Park. Namdapha National Park is located at the international border between India and Myanmar in Changlang district in Arunachal Pradesh. It is recognized as one of the richest areas in biodiversity in India. It was established in 1974. Namdapha was declared a national park in 1983 under the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. More than 150 timber species are found in Namdapha National Park. Some of the species are Pinus mercusi and Abies delavavi, which are endemic to this region and not found elsewhere in India. The tailless Hulok gibbon is the only ape species found in India and it resides in Namdapha National Park. One of the unique features of Namdapha National Park is that 4 feline species of big cat are found together here, which are tiger, leopard, snow leopard, and clouded leopard. Among the bird species, most notable are rare and endangered white-winged wood duck, great Indian hornbills, jungle fowls, pheasants. National Park of Nagaland. Intanki National Park. This is the location of Intanki National Park. Intanki National Park is a wildlife park located in Perrine district of Nagaland. The name of the Intanki National Park has been derived from Zemi dialect of the Zeliangrong tribe. In Intanki National Park, you can see wild buffaloes, which are locally called as Mithun. Hulok gibbon is found in Intanki National Park. Some other animals which are found in this national park are tiger, sloth bear, wild dog, and flying squirrel. Now we will see National Park of Manipur. Keibul Lamjau National Park. This is the location of Keibul Lamjau National Park. Keibul Lamjau National Park is a national park in Bishnupur district of Manipur. It is the only floating national park in the world. It was established in 1977. It is the only floating national park in the world located in northeast India and it is an integrated part of Loktak Lake. The largest area of the Phumdi in the Loktak Lake is the Keibul Lamjau National Park, which is home to Manipur brown antler deer, which is popularly known as Sanghai. Why Keibul Lamjau National Park is floating? The national park is characterized by floating decomposed plant material, locally called Phumdi. It was created in 1966 as a wildlife sanctuary to preserve the natural habitat of the endangered Elds deer. Sirohi or Shirui National Park. This is the location of Shirui National Park. Shirui National Park is located in the state of Manipur. It was established in 1982. Among the animals that make their homes here include tragopan, tiger, leopard. In Shirui National Park, famous Shirui lily grows naturally. Shirui National Park is located on the Indo-Myanmar border. Shirui National Park is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and bird watchers. Now we will see National Parks of Meghalaya. Balpakram National Park. This is the location of Balpakram National Park in India. Balpakram National Park is located to the south of Garo Hills in Meghalaya. It is about 910 meter close to the international border with Bangladesh. Balpakram National Park was inaugurated in 1987. Balpakram National Park is home to barking deer and the golden cat. Balpakram National Park is home to one of the rarest animal in the world, the lesser panda or the red panda. Nokrek National Park. This is the location of Nokrek National Park in India. Nokrek National Park. The core area of the Nokrek Biosphere Reserve is a national park located in West Garo Hills district of Meghalaya. It was established in 1986. UNESCO added this national park to its list of Biosphere Reserve in 2009. Nokrek National Park has a remnant population of red panda that has generated curiosity across the world. Nokrek National Park is also a habitat of the Asiatic elephant, wild cats, marbled cat, majestic tiger. In Nokrek National Park, you can see clouded leopard, which is the state animal of Meghalaya. Now we will see National Park of Sikkim. Kanchenjunga National Park. This is the location of Kanchenjunga National Park in India. Kanchenjunga National Park, also known as Kanchenjunga Biosphere Reserve, is a national park and biosphere reserve located in Sikkim. In 2016, it was included in the UNESCO World Heritage Sites. It is the first mixed heritage site of India. Kanchenjunga National Park is home to nearly half of India's bird diversity, wild trees, orchids, rhododendrons, and one-third of the country's flowering plants. The snow leopard is the flagship species of Kanchenjunga National Park, one of the 3 leopard species and 6 confirmed cat species found within Kanchenjunga National Park. Red panda is the state animal of Sikkim. Red panda is found in the lower altitude forest of Kanchenjunga National Park, its buffer zone and nearby protected areas.